We have a Technic dishwasher with water laying in the bottom.
Bit different.
Now we've got water laying in here, so we have to take it apart. Now you take that bit out just by turning it and take it out. Ah, there we go, look. There's the water laying up there. Now this all wants taking out and cleaning. Empty it out. As dry as I can get that for the minute. Right, so we could do with a bit more light in there, so that's it. Oh, how about that? That basket's just in the right place. Now then, we need, it's a starry one, not one of them. So it is one of them. What we're trying to do is take that out of there first, because we want to look at the pump, don't we? Right, just don't lose then. Right, and that should, oh, there we go. We might have to go and have a look in there. Not quite sure what I'm looking at, but there we go. It all looks clean. Right, so, what I need to do, I think, to lift this thing up. If I can get it up. Oh, it's a bit fiddly. Ah, there we go. Ah, and there's water come back. Right, oh, so that is the thing that, that's what's in there. And there's water's come back out the tube, and the pump works all right. So I suppose what I've got to do now is flush that waste pipe, which goes into the here. So come round to the sink. Backwards, open the sink up. Now then, in there is all the waste gubbins, and there is the tube connected to the waste. So what I want to do now, lift that off. What would happen if I blow down it? There we go. Now then, have that ring there. And blow down the tube. So that's the water that was in the tube It's a bit murky, but it's not terrible. So maybe I'll bail that out and pour some water down. Pour some hot water down. What we want now is some hot water. Let's then do pour some hot water down the pipe. Well, the water's not really terrible. It's a bit cloudy, but that's about it. Well, there we go. Let's put it back together again. It doesn't look as though there was anything wrong with it. A little tiny bit of rubbish was was coming out, but nothing serious. So let's give that a wash off in hot water. There we go. And then we put the screwy thing back in. There we are. And then this goes back on, and this it just connects there, look, with these thingies. Is that the right way around? Oh yeah. Clip, clip, and it's clipped there. It's clipped, isn't it? No, it's not clipped yet. There we go. That's it. That's that and that. Then we put back in the other gubbinses, and we make sure that these are clear and clean. And that. Make sure that's turned round. There's an arrow there that says that's shut. So my conclusion is the non-return valve, the little plasticky thing, had some debris around it and was simply letting the tube drain back. So nothing serious. You probably could clear that by using I think it's soda and baking powder and vinegar, I think. There's probably some really good YouTubes explaining how to make that mix. Nope, it's open then. And we'll see what happens.